My husband and I just got back from a research trip to France where we were able to go to a rummage sale and pick up some antique pewter items, including this ladle and this old German black powder flask that they gave out for military members. We actually picked this up for my son because we thought he would really enjoy it. But you have to be careful with pewter because sometimes it can have a little bit of lead in it, especially the really old ones like the 1600s to 1700s, they would add lead to it. After that, they tended not to, but it's better safe than sorry. I don't know exactly the age of this. I figure this one is probably like late 1800s unless it's a really good replica. And then this one, I have no idea. I've tried to do some research, but I can't find out. So this is how I test it out. I'll be using these lead test swabs today. There's actually so many different ones on the internet and they're very inexpensive, so it's a good idea to use it. And it's really easy to use. These Q-tips come in the kit, and then I dip it in vinegar. This is just white distilled vinegar. And you can tell that it's activated because it's turned yellow to orange. And then right away, I rub it against my pewter for probably about 30 seconds. You should be able to see pretty quickly if there's any lead in it. My ladle is safe to use. It actually made it just turn kind of white. If it had lead in it, it would have turned anywhere from a pink, red to purple. So now this powder flask I won't be using for any kind of food, but I just want to make sure there's no lead in it so that I know exactly how careful my son has to be with it. Just rub it on there, 30 seconds. It's kind of nice. I buy a lot of things at garage sales and rummage sales. I have a lot of fun getting the older items. And you want to know if the stuff that you have is safe or not. Oh, the other thing I forgot to mention is it's a good idea to clean these up before doing the test because you don't want it to test the dust. Actually, that's something I didn't do for this one. So you can see it's getting dirty, but it's not turning pink. So both my powder flask and my ladle turned out just fine. I don't have to worry about any lead on either of those, but it's nice to have the peace of mind.